Hello guys, this is Aryan and you are watching Trade with Aryan. So in this video I will be explaining the logic of my trade that I took today, which gave me a return of 10% within 15 minutes. So this I have opened TradingView application, and this is ITC chart, this is weekly chart. Okay, let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, we can see that that ITC is trading way above 200 EMA. That is, it is in an uptrend, strong uptrend. This is the COVID crash, and this is the COVID crash. After COVID, it formed a fair value zone type. Then it broke out. Then here it took support, and then it has since then it has continuously moved up, and here now it is forming a multi-year fair value zone. Okay, inside, so this was the multi-year, yeah, for from mid 23 it touched a high, then came down, then this year in September it made a high, not much greater than to the previous one, about 10% above, and then now it has within past 3 weeks has been very brutal for ITC, and we can see that it has been falling continuously. Chances are that it might reverse, it might take support at this level, but the way it has fallen, I guess it won't be, I won't be surprised if it comes down to this level, like 400. So it is already at 400 level, just 4% more. That is that it can easily cover within this month ending, if it has to cover. Anyways, so it is near support zone. Now let me come to the daily chart. On daily chart, the same way we can see that this was a fair value zone. It was broken decisively, and now it has come to next fair value zone. At this point, while it was down, the same logic that I traded TCS yesterday, I entered with the same logic today also in ITC. It was near a good support, and it has been falling since many days, continuously since many days without any pullback. So a pullback is due, and with that logic I decided to trade ITC today. And let me move into the 5-minute chart. If you could remember, I entered at 9:46. Better I move to 1-minute chart, that would be better. Okay, and this is 1-minute chart, and see this. Here it is a huge gap. TCS gapped down, and after that it has been trying to fill the gap. So I thought that since it is a gap, and also it has been falling for many days, this gap ought to be filled. And that is why when initially it crossed 400 to the downside, then it came near 400, and the next time when it was near 400, exact 400, at this point, I think at this candle I entered. I took an entry, waited for it, and I covered this rally. From this candle, I waited up to this candle. What is this one? This is 10-1. Yeah, here I think I exited. I exited at this candle. Yeah, this, the one highlighted. So I covered how much? Around 86.86%. That was quite good, since in the equity it is 0.8%, but in options it has covered 10%. So after exiting and seeing that it has been consolidating within that range itself. So I was lucky, I entered and got my target quite easily. I did not have to wait much. So seeing my target, I exited gracefully. Also, like yesterday, I was not in the mood to scalp. However, I took the leverage that even if it goes against my view, I should have plenty of time so that I can adjust it wisely. So instead of trading in the February expiry, I traded in the March expiry, as you might have noticed. I usually do like that itself. With that, though I need more capital to trade, there is an advantage that I have a leverage of time. Even if my trade goes even if it goes against my view, I have time that I can wait for. So that was all for this video. Let me see if I can find uh, a new setup tomorrow, and let's see how the day goes. Anyways, that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.